Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Learn with Gisela. In this video of linear equations in one variable, we are going to take up few word problems related to speed and distance. So let's start with the first question. The first question is, the distance between two towns is 300 kilometers. Two cars start simultaneously from these towns and move towards each other. The speed of one car is more than the other by 7 kilometers per hour. If the distance between the cars after 2 hours is 34 kilometers, find the speed of the cars. Now first of all, let me explain this question. Suppose there are two towns, town A and town B. The distance between these two towns is given to us 300 kilometers, right? Now two cars, let us say car A and car B, are moving towards each other. They started simultaneously at the same time and they are moving towards each other. The speed of one car is more than the other by 7 kilometers. So if I say the speed of B is x, so speed of A will be x plus 7 kilometers per hour. Now it is saying if the distance between the cars after 2 hours is 34 kilometers. Now car A also traveled for 2 hours, car B also is traveling for 2 hours. In 2 hours they covered some distance. Let us say, because A's speed is more, let us say it covered this much distance and it has reached over here. And B also has covered this much distance and it has reached over here, and still the distance between them which is remaining to be covered is 34 kilometers. Right. Now car A has covered this much distance, car B has covered this much distance, and the remaining distance is 34 kilometers, which is remaining between them. So this will help us to form the equation because total is 300 kilometers, right? Now let us start with the solution. Over here, let us assume speed of car B is x kilometers per hour. Speed of car A will be x plus 7 kilometers per hour. Time traveled by both the cars is 2 hours. So we can say the distance which is covered by car A in 2 hours will be speed into time, that is x plus 7 into 2, which is equal to 2x plus 14 kilometers. Now the distance covered by car B is also speed into time. Now speed of car B is x, time is 2 hours, so x into 2, that is 2x kilometers, right? Now the distance covered by car A is 2x plus 14. Distance covered by car B is 2x. Remaining distance is 34 kilometers and the total distance is 300. So this is what our equation will form. Let us see. So now we can say the total distance, which is 300 kilometers, comprise of distance covered by car A plus distance covered by car B, and the remaining distance which still has to be covered and is equal to 300 kilometers, right? So we can put the values now. Distance covered by car A is 2x plus 14, distance covered by car B is 2x, remaining distance is 34, and the total is 300 kilometers. Now we shall solve it. This is a linear equation in one variable. Open the brackets. So 2x plus 14 plus 2x plus 34 is equal to 300. 2x plus 2x is 4x. 14 plus 34 is 48 equal to 300. Now 4x is equal to 300 minus 48, which is equal to 252. So we can say 4x is equal to 252. So x is equal to 252 divided by 4, that is 63 kilometers per hour. Now the speed of car B, which was x, is 63 kilometers per hour, and speed of car A, that was x plus 7 kilometers, is 63 plus 7, which is equal to 70 kilometers per hour. So this is how we have solved this question and found the speed of the respective cars, right? Now let us take up second question. The distance between two stations is 425 kilometers. Two trains start simultaneously from these stations on parallel tracks to cross each other. The speed of one of them is greater than the other by 5 kilometers per hour. If the distance between the two trains after 3 hours of their start is 20 kilometers, find the speed of each train. So this question is same as question 1. Over here we have two trains which are starting from two stations. Let us call them station A and station B, which are 425 kilometers apart from each other. That means the distance between them is 425. Right. Now they are saying two trains start simultaneously from these stations on the parallel track to cross each other. So let us say train A is moving from station A and it has reached, let us say, this much point after 3 hours. So if the distance between the two trains after 3 hours is 20 kilometers, so they are saying the two trains have moved towards each other for 3 hours. So they have covered some distance. Similarly, train B has also started from station B and covered some distance. Let us say this much distance train B has covered, yes, in 3 hours, right? So we can say the distance covered by train A is this much, distance covered by train B is this much, but still there is a distance which is left to be covered, which is 20 kilometers. Between them, we have still to cover 20 kilometers before they cross each other, right? Now, again, one more information is there. They are saying the speed of one of them is greater than the other by 5 kilometers. So if I assume, let the speed of train A is X. So train B will be X plus 5 kilometers per hour. It will travel at a speed of X plus 5 kilometers per hour. So let us start with the solution now. Speed of train A is X kilometers per hour. Speed of train B is equal to X plus 5 kilometers per hour. Now both the trains have traveled for 3 hours. So the distance covered by train A in 3 hours is speed into time. Speed of train A is X. So X into 3 is equal to 3x kilometers. So 3x kilometers is the distance which is covered by train A. Now they are saying distance covered by train B is again speed into time. Speed of B is x plus 5, time is 3. So it is 3x plus 15 kilometers. So 3x plus 15 kilometers is the distance covered by train B. Total distance is 425 kilometers. We can say that some distance out of 425 kilometers, some distance has been covered by train A, some distance has been covered by train B, and the remaining distance of 20 kilometers is still left to be covered, and the total distance is 425. So this is the equation. Now we shall put the values and solve. So now distance covered by train A plus distance covered by train B plus the remaining distance is equal to 425. Now put the values. Distance covered by train A is 3x plus 15. Distance covered by train B is 3x. Remaining distance is 20 is equal to 425. Now we shall solve the brackets. 3x and 3x 6x. 15 plus 20 is 35 is equal to 425. Now 6x is equal to 425 minus 35, which is 390. So 6x is equal to 390. Further, x is equal to 390 divided by 6, which is equal to 65. So value of x is 65. Now what was x? X was the speed of train A, which we have assumed. So speed of train A is x, that is 65 kilometers per hour, and speed of B is x plus 5, that is 70 kilometers per hour. 65 plus 5 is 70 kilometers per hour, right? So this is it. Hope you have enjoyed the video and learned how to solve the word problems related to speed and distance. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Have a great day ahead.